Senate President Cheese Escudero clarifies that Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial is far from over. This comes on the heels of the Senate's controversial move to return the impeachment articles to the lower chamber. Here is the full report.
The return of complaints against Duterte to the lower chamber does not mean the Senate is done with the case. That's according to no less than Senate President Cheese Escudero. Escudero said proof of this is their issuance of summons related to the impeachment, particularly the one for the VP, which instructs her to answer to the articles of impeachment within 10 days. She also has to face the Senate tribunal on the date and time set by the presiding officer.
Pakibasa po yung siguro hindi rin panawagan ko dun sa 5 kasamahan naming dakdak pa rin ang dakdak sa dismissal. Nakalagay doon without dismissing, without terminating. So the impeachment court retains its jurisdiction. To my mind, that's why we issued summons. How can we issue summons if we do not have jurisdiction? So walang naaksayang panahon dahil nagawa namin lahat ng tinakdang gawin.
Another order the Senate Impeachment Court issued is for the lower chamber to release an attestation that they have followed the constitutional mandate limiting verified impeachment complaints to only one within the year. They do not have a deadline, but Escudero said Congress is duty-bound to obey.
Hindi kami magkapantay pagdating sa bagay na ito. Hindi ito House at Senate kung saan co-equal ang mga ahensyang yan. Wala sa lugar para sa akin ang Kamara na hindi sumunod sa ipinag-uutos ng impeachment court.
Escudero insisted that they saved the 20th Congress time and resources by making sure the House prosecution has already answered queries before holding trial. He also defended their order to the next Congress to attest that they will be picking up from where they left off.
May basihan at karapatan ng Senado. Tanungin ang papasok na Kongreso. Gusto pa ba nyo at interesado pa ba kayo? Dahil yung gumawa nito ay yung nagdaang Kongreso. And again, the 19th House cannot bind the 20th House. Ang paghalal ng panel of prosecutors para sa akin ay hudyat o senyal na interesado pa rin sila na ipursige ang impeachment complaint na ito.
Escudero said whoever has questions on the Senate's procedures could always go to the Supreme Court for answers.